Uria wari minista wa kigina guku bururiini Rotich hamwe na aruna akiangiana marĩ na Wiyathi thutha wa kwehererio cira wa ngukumio ya ciringi mbirioni 63 cia waki wa ndemu cia kimwarer na aror.
In the meantime, all the accused persons herein are hereby acquitted under section 210 of this. They are hereby acquitted under section 210 of the Criminal Procedure Code due to lack of evidence as a result of the record.
Akirekereria itua riu muthenya wa umuthi mucirithania Kuringana ugite ati mwena wa thitango ni uremetwo ni gutwarithia cira ucio na mbere.
At the beginning of this trial. However, 8 witnesses later, this tune suddenly changed. The prosecution was no longer interested in prosecuting the case. They informed the court that they had firm instructions not to proceed. As such, this court only relied on the evidence of 8 witnesses. In the case of Republic versus Director of Public Prosecution, ex parte Kamami, it was held that a criminal prosecution which is commenced in the absence of proper factual foundation or basis is always suspect of ulterior motive or improper purpose. Before instituting criminal proceedings, there must be in existence material evidence on which the prosecution can say with certainty that they have a prosecution.
Makiria kagure nyutu ni amenereirie mwena wa thitango nikiria ugite ati ni kwaga kuhunga mahuri ya ira othe 49 cira ucio na njira ya kwaga kumoria ciuria ona thengia wao kwihitithio mari bao-ini no indi ya ira 8 no mahotire kumahunga mahuri na haha akiuga ati ucio ni wagi wa uigiririki mugaru na watho ndeto gicungirira guteanirio gwa cira ucio.
A prudent and cautious prosecutor must be able to demonstrate that he has a reasonable and probable cause for mounting a criminal prosecution. Otherwise, the prosecution will be malicious and actionable.
Oho kagure nyutu no akinyereirie ati Rotich na aruna ake ni marumirire mitaratara mikinyaniru kiwatho makiheana kandarathi iyo na kumagia hau ndwari uigiririki wao kurumirira kandarathi iyo.
He highlighted those conditions of the license which required that there must be adequate compensation for all those people who are to be affected by the damming project. And to this end, the 9th accused person followed the due process and issued a conditional license to the proponent. As to whether those conditions were followed was not part of his mandate. And therefore, it has not been demonstrated that the 9th accused person had any role to play after this.
Riu ciringi mbirioni 63 ciathire ku niwe gunire nacio na hotire atia kuona ati ciari ciruta wira wa kuguna muingi hihi nyota wa mai kuri muingi uria wari ugunuke ni ugathira handu-ini ha Muthingi TV ritwa riakwa ni Cege wa Njohi.